Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you are not able to follow someone on TikTok, then how you can fix it. So first of all, we will go into the TikTok mobile application, and guys, after that we have to go to the profile, which is on bottom right side corner. Okay, and here we have to just go on the top right side corner. There is three lines, and make sure that you are using the latest version, and you are also using you also have a proper internet connection. Okay, and after that we have to go to the setting and privacy, and we have to scroll a little bit, and we have to click on report a problem. Okay, and after that we will wait for a few seconds here. Now it's open. Okay, after that we will scroll a little bit, and we have to click on this option, that is follow, like, comments. Okay, and here after that we have to wait for a few minutes, and here we are facing a issue of we are not able to follow someone. Okay, so we will select a proper option, that is the first one, following and unfollowing users. Okay, and we will wait for a few seconds, and here we will click on the no. Okay, and we will click on need more help, and after that this is a very important thing. Okay, and here we have to describe the issue in a very easy form, and so that the customer service of TikTok can understand, and after that they will contact you and they will solve your issue. Okay, sometimes it happens because only a particular account get issue like this, so if you describe the issue in a proper way, a human from TikTok will fix your issue. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.